Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock account on Viber. So it's very simple. First of all, you need Viber app in your mobile. If you don't have it, just go to Play Store and download it. Or if you are using iOS device, then go to App Store and download it from there. So here I have already downloaded my Viber from App Store. So just click on this, which is in the top left corner. So this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open the Viber. Right after that, just go to the More, which is in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a bit and see the settings. So you can just click on the settings here and go to the privacy, which is in the second line. Just click on this. So here are the many options, but you need to go on the block list here. Just click on the block list and you are entered in the block list. So these are the people which I have blocked in my Viber. So you can just press on the unblock. So my friend is unblocked here. So in this way, you can just unblock account on Viber. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.